In this video, we explore the best paint sprayers on the market, perfect for both beginners and seasoned DIY enthusiasts. Discover features, benefits, and comparisons of top models, designed to make your painting projects quicker and more efficient. From indoor walls to outdoor fences, a high-quality paint sprayer can elevate your finish and save time. Stay tuned as we dive into essential tips and recommendations to help you choose the ideal sprayer for your needs. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis on our website, allaboutthebest.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future update. Let's get started with the list. Number 5. HomeRight Quick Finish HVLP Paint. Sprayer, our pick for best budget paint sprayer. If you're diving into a small painting project like sprucing up furniture or refreshing trim, the HomeRight HVLP paint sprayer is a fantastic choice. We recently used it to breathe new life into a pair of bar stools and some wooden boards, and to our delight, it was incredibly easy to set up, ready to go within 5 minutes. After enjoying our initial success, we found ourselves reaching for this sprayer monthly. Its lightweight design and quick setup made tackling various jobs, from painting inside rooms to outdoor walls, a breeze. Even after months of use, it performed just as well as on day one. Instead of drawing directly from a can, this sprayer features a convenient 28-ounce canister. For smaller tasks, we could complete them without needing a refill, but larger jobs might require topping up. Thankfully, the refilling process is straightforward and spill-free. While it doesn't have pressure control, it boasts a flow control knob for easy adjustments. Plus, with 3 versatile paint tip positions, vertical, horizontal, and round, it's perfect for achieving that smooth finish on different surfaces. Though ideal for larger areas, this little sprayer is an invaluable tool for any DIY enthusiast. Number 4. Titan ControlMax High-Efficiency Airless Paint Sprayer, our pick for best adjustable paint sprayer. Introducing the Titan tool, a user-friendly paint sprayer designed for larger projects. With its minimal parts and straightforward assembly, you'll be ready to tackle your next painting task in no time. One of the standout features of this model is its unique attachment system. It includes just one versatile nozzle that offers different spray patterns depending on how it's turned. This not only makes it efficient for varied applications, but it also simplifies storage. Fewer pieces mean less clutter to manage. Designed for convenience, the Titan tool's hose fits directly into your paint bucket, providing a seamless connection for uninterrupted spraying. Plus, the comfortable spray handle ensures you can work for extended periods without discomfort. The brand goes the extra mile by offering an app that helps you choose the best settings based on your specific paint type, along with quick access to customer support when you need it. While it is the heaviest option on our list, the handy carrying handle makes it simple to transport around your workspace. Just a note, this model operates at a decibel level similar to a push lawnmower, so be prepared for a bit of noise while you paint. Get ready to unleash your creativity with the Titan tool. Still looking for the perfect paint sprayers to suit your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Graco Magnum 262805X7 Cart Airless, our pick for best cart paint sprayer. Transform your painting experience with the Graco Magnum 262805X7 Cart Airless sprayer. This tool is a game changer for home improvement enthusiasts and professionals alike. First off, you'll appreciate the fully adjustable pressure. It lets you control paint flow for any project size, ensuring a smooth application every time. If you encounter clogs, simply reverse the RAC4 switch tip without missing a beat. This feature keeps you spraying instead of fussing with stoppages. Gone are the days of messy thinning. With the stainless steel piston pump, you can spray unthinned paint at high pressure. Have a big project? No problem. Use the flexible suction tube to spray directly from 1 or 5-gallon paint buckets. With an annual recommendation of up to 125 gallons, you'll tackle multiple jobs seamlessly. Cleanup is a breeze too. Just connect the power flush adapter to a garden hose. Fast and easy, leaves you more time for other tasks. Reaching lofty heights? This sprayer supports up to 100 feet of paint hose. Use it to spray multi-story homes effortlessly. What I adore most about the Graco Magnum X7 is its true airless spray tip with soft spray technology. It provides greater control, casting out overspray with a variety of coatings. Check out this powerful sprayer to elevate your next painting project. Number 2. Graco Ultra Cordless Airless Handheld Paint Sprayer. Our pick for best cordless paint sprayer. If you're looking for effortless mobility and convenience during your next painting project, a cordless paint sprayer is a game changer. Among the best on the market is the Graco Ultra Cordless, designed to make your painting tasks both easy and efficient. During our testing, this sprayer wowed us with its ability to deliver uniform and consistent coverage, leaving behind a professional finish that'll make your walls pop. We tried out the Graco Ultra on various projects and were delighted to find that its performance remained top-notch every time. Whether we were tackling rough surfaces or smoother ones, the sprayer consistently provided even coverage. One of its standout features is the adjustable speed settings, allowing you to control paint pressure for different effects. Plus, it comes with multiple paint reservoirs that make changing colors a breeze. No mess, no fuss. We also appreciated the thoughtful design, including a funnel that can hook right onto your paint bucket for clutter-free storage. While it comes with a single spray pattern nozzle, Graco offers additional tips for those who might need different spray options tailored to specific projects. Powered by the robust DeWalt XR lithium-ion system, the Graco Ultra Cordless ensures a perfect airless finish at any speed without the need for thinning. With its triax triple piston pump and fully repairable design, this sprayer promises longevity and reliability for all your painting endeavors. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1, Graco Magnum Project Painter Plus Paint Sprayer. Our pick for best paint sprayer overall. If you're on the lookout for a reliable paint sprayer, the Graco model is a fantastic choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. We were genuinely impressed by its performance, comparable to pricier models. Right out of the box, it excelled while painting exterior shutters, and a fresh coat on our garage door looked stunning after just one layer. One of the standout features is its smooth and even application. No sputters or blotches here. The adjustable pressure is user-friendly. We primarily used the medium setting but appreciated how it ranges from 500 psi to 2,800 psi. What we truly love is the ability to use latex paint without any thinning required, saving time just like with more expensive sprayers. Plus, the trigger lock feature means you can spray continuously without strain on your hands. This stationary sprayer is easy to transport with its handle, and while it can be a bit cumbersome with an open paint can, the included 25-foot hose, which can be extended to 50 feet with an additional purchase, ensures you can reach all areas with ease. Designed to work directly from 1 or 5-gallon paint cans. We found this sprayer ideal for projects under 5 gallons and less than 50 gallons annually. After 6 months, it's still our go-to for everything from garage doors to shutters. With easy cleanup thanks to a garden hose attachment, it's truly a reliable tool for all your painting endeavors. So that wraps up our list of the best paint sprayers. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which paint sprayers you like the most. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video.